Welcome to the QRShow channel. Do you know how to create QR code for a PDF file? First, log into QRShow. Once launched the dashboard, click Create QR Code Files. Then click the Add icon to upload your PDF files. It's worth noting that you can add multiple PDF files at once. Even better, you can set your PDF file to be private or public. You can preview your QR code and PDF files. Then click the Next button to proceed. Name your QR code and then click Generate to create your PDF QR code. You are allowed to customize the QR code as you want. When finished, click Save Style and Return. Finally, you can choose to download the QR code in different formats. Even better, you can see the scan statistics of the QR code. Let's get creative and make some magic happen with QRShow tilde.